In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar in Wix. Adding an announcement bar is a great way to highlight important information like sales, updates, or even just a warm welcome to your visitors. So, without further ado, let's dive in and set up an announcement bar on your Wix website with a few easy steps. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're all set, navigate over to the Home section, which will serve as our starting point. If you're already familiar with the Wix dashboard, this should be a breeze for you. From the Home section, the next step is to go ahead and click on My Site. This is where we really start to get into the customization process. Finding your site might seem basic, but it's crucial to ensure we're making changes in the right area. Once you're on your site, you want to focus your attention on adding elements to make your announcement bar stand out. So look for the option labeled Add Elements. This is a central feature in the Wix editor that gives you a lot of creative control, opening the door to various elements you can add to your page, including our much desired announcement bar. After clicking on Add Elements, check out the box option. Here's a little insider tip. Using a box as the foundation for your announcement bar is helpful because it's flexible and easily customizable to your liking. It provides a neat encapsulation of your message, making it noticeable yet integrated smoothly with the rest of your site's design. Next up, delve into the hover boxes. Now, hover boxes can sound a bit technical, but don't worry, they're really user-friendly. Hover boxes provide interactive effects as users hover over them, adding a touch of dynamism to your announcement. It's a step up from static designs. We want those site visitors interested and engaged, remember? Finally, it's time to customize and really make that announcement bar yours. In the editing stage, you can adjust the text, fonts, colors, and even add in animations to make sure it aligns with your site's aesthetic and message. Play around a little. This is where your creativity can really shine. Remember, keep the announcement clear and concise so your visitors know exactly what you want to communicate. By following these steps, you'll have a fantastic announcement bar that doesn't only look good, but also serves a purpose on your site. It's a simple, yet effective tool to keep your audience informed and engaged. Thanks for following along, and remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Tune in next time for more useful Wix tips and tricks.